Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today is finally time to play the duet called Prelude Op. 28 number 20 by Frédéric Chopin. We are on page 42 and 43 of the books not featuring greetings. We are on the John Thompson's This is Piano Course Part 2. So, as mentioned, last week I decided to play first of all greetings because I wanted to prepare the recording of the official version of this prelude that has been published today on my artistic channel, finally after a long time that I wasn't publishing anything. So I invite all of you, I'm leaving the link of the video in the description below. In this way you can finally see here how it sounds, the original prelude by Chopin, one of the most amazing composers of piano music. Now obviously I am going to play for you the your part, this Primo, then I will play the accompaniment, and that's all. Luckily this one, even more than greetings, doesn't have any hands together passage, only separate hands. Seems to be something like coming from Thompson Part 1, but obviously a much more advanced level. There are many changes of hand position. You have to simply focus, get the notes. Be sure that you are not missing any note, okay? As usual. Anyways, let's play first of all the Primo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, stop. Of this one, I don't think that there is any need of any slower version. I am simply going to talk about a few things. So you start from a very simple basic position like Thompson part 1, I could say. Yeah? Then from the 5th bar you have the left hand, and the left hand we could even say that is in a kind of O Susanna position, yeah, with the second finger on the C, because you see that you have the little on the G. Then mind, please, the B flat. Then mind the natural B. Yeah, this, as always mentioned, is not needed. This is a kind reminder, this one for you, because obviously the power of this flat is automatically cancelled by the bar line. It's not needed. Remember, because this is something important to understand for the future, for the really professional music sheets and very professional pieces. Back to the right, the left hand is still keeping the same position to play the B. Indeed, still on the B, yeah, we moved simply the third from here to here. Now the right hand is moving a little bit. The E was played by the third, now by the thumb. It's definitely needed, yeah, because then you have to reach the G sharp. The G sharp is here, and indeed on the keyboard is here. Then stretch out the little finger because we have to reach the C. Why? When we start the third line, we have the 5th on the C. Exactly this one. Mind this change of finger on the same identical note 4-5. It's important to play up to the end, yeah? You do 5-4-5-3-2-1, yeah? It makes sense. Then move a little bit the little finger down to the A. Here we are, exactly as it is suggested. Fourth on the F, so stretch it out. Do these kind of things, yeah, it's very important, and then you end very easy, the ending. Now I'm going to play the accompaniment, the secondo. Obviously you don't need to see me playing it, the camera will simply point the music sheet. I'm going to play the accompaniment, my part, at 92 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila, this is the accompaniment. Obviously I keep repeating, I invite you to listen to the original version of this amazing, wonderful prelude. It's really touching music, this one. Anyways, I don't think that there is anything special that has to be clarified. We have only one piece that is left out of this Thompson Part 2, and also this book will be over by publishing the band played on. I can say that I've published the whole John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 2. Anyways, if you have any question, feel free to comment as usual. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.